thank you.
Mhm.
The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a leveled surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Now calling the matter of the people versus Raneen Youssef. This is ticket SP 1407269. Count 1, 21 to 25 miles over posted speed. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. May I have your appearance for the record, Attorney Daoud?
Your Honor, good morning. AJ Down on behalf of Ms. Youssef, P67716.
All right. And will your client be joining us today, or are you acting on behalf?
Acting on behalf, Your Honor.
All right. And how are we proceeding? I know we adjourned this last time so that your client could complete the driver's improvement class. How are we moving forward today?
There is an offer made to a limited access 6 to 10, which is a 1 point that I can accept on her behalf.
All right. So are you stipulating to the four corners of the ticket for probable cause today?
Absolutely.
All right, thank you so much. So at this time, the court is going to enter in for count 1, an amended plea of responsible to limited access 6 to 10 miles over posted speed. Count 2 is to be dismissed. Is that my correct understanding, sir?
Yes, correct.
All right, count 2 to be dismissed in this particular matter. The fine for 6 to 10 miles over posted speed is $135. And that is limited access 6 to 10 miles over. So you know about that for point wise. That's pretty good offer, Attorney Daoud. So it's usually the 14 days to be able to pay civil infractions. Is that going to be enough time for your client?
Yes, thank you very much.
All right. You are very welcome. So we're going to have that due no later than March 14th, 2023, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. Thank you for your patience this morning as we waited to get an attorney on for you, okay?
Thank you too. Take care.
Oh, of course, no problem. You have a good day. I'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye. All right. We're working on you, Mr. Wright. Hold tight.
Mr. Williams?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, did you speak with?
Yes, I spoke with the attorney.
Okay, you're gonna go.
Mr. Wright?
Yes,
Okay, we're gonna just place you back in the waiting room until the judge is ready, okay?
okay.
All right. Over here. The last step.
This one?
I got to reschedule. Okay. If they reschedule. You just pay for what it is. Thank you. Okay. SB, looking 2000. So we take that off my show. Okay, thank you.
I'm almost ready, Your Honor.
Okay, cool.
Judge, are you bringing them in? Judge,
So what?
are you bringing these defendants in? Because they've been in breakout rooms, but they're coming back.
No, I haven't.
I need light.
Mr. Walker?
He probably
Yes, how you
resigned
doing?
because he needs to charge his phone a little bit and he has a trial today. So I told him to charge his phone a little bit and then come back in. So Mr. Walker had an excuse to leave for a moment because he still doesn't have power at his house. So
Okay.
I'm so sorry. I got a little bit of juice. I'm back. I'm trying to get near a light.
Okay,
fantastic.
okay, Mr. Walker, I already gave you the instructions about the breakout room. So that's where you're gonna go now. Just press when you get the invitation, you're gonna go to 23.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, so I'll go interview Mr. Walker then. I'll be back.
Okay.
23.
Ms. Williams, Destiny Williams,
Yes,
did you speak with the attorney?
He
yes.
did.
Okay, cool. Okay, you're gonna go through waiting room.
Are you ready on your matter, Attorney Morgan?
Good morning. I just would like to be made a co-host and then I can go to the breakout room and talk to Ms. Tyson, Inspector Tyson on the matter. I'm not sure, Mr. Williams is present, the defendant, Charles Williams.
He's in one of the breakout rooms.
Okay, good, thank you. I'm not sure if we'll need to talk to him on this or not. And he's being represented by one of the public defenders today.
I would imagine so.
Who do we have today?
Attorney Baughman.
Oh, Boffman, that's right. Okay, good. So, all right, may I have privileges, Your Honor?
I don't have control, I'm sorry.
You already do, Mr. Morgan.
Thank you. Okay. Inspector Tyson, are you in a breakout room?
Nope, I'm in the courtroom right here.
Okay, I'm going to assign you to a breakout room.
Okay.
Assign you to 2 or 3. No. Assign you to 3.
Here I go.
All right.
Judge, Mr. Bachman said he got kicked out. He's gonna log back in right now.
Okay, cool. You all right?
Yes.
Good morning, Tay.
He left back up.
Okay.
Excommunicated from the meeting. Can you make me co-host again, please? Yep.
Corporal Moore?
Yes.
Hi, is there a reason you came out of the breakout room?
Yeah, Shannon kicked me out.
Oh, okay. Reason enough.
Yeah, I guess she said that the defendant took an offer.
Did the defendant's taking an offer?
That is my understanding.
Okay, all right, the defendant's taking an offer. You can go ahead and log out if you need to, okay?
Okay, thank you. You take care.
You too, all right.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is prosecutor. I was looking for Mr. Boffman and
He logged off by accident for a moment. Let me see where he's at.
I looked up and down the list and could not find his name or green dot.
He's in room number 14 right now.
Really? Okay, thank you. How I missed that? Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
You want Ms. West to stay in the courtroom or waiting room, Judge?
She's going to waiting room.
Judge, do we have a retained attorney by the last name of Barney?
He may be supposed to be here for Ned Wilson.
Yes.
He's always late, never on time. Always.
Okay, all right. We have Lieutenant Jackson in the breakout room, so I just, he had worked a double, so I just wanted to give him a little information.
We'll reach out to Mr. Barney, see if he picks up the phone. He's gonna imagine that he doesn't, even though he picked this day. I let him pick this day for the jury trial or bench trial. I let him pick it. I want YouTube to know that. I let him pick the day.
I understand, Judge.
Let me see if we can find him so I can get the officer. Or we can let the officer go and then Mr. Wilson just be out of luck for a minute.
Whatever the court wants to do. Like I said, Lieutenant Jackson is, like I said, he just said he just worked a double and he's extremely tired. So whatever the court is inclined to do.
All right, let me see. And they wanted a trial date so they could speak with the officer. Did you get some type of offer for him?
I can talk to the officer real quick, Judge.
Get an offer just in case, and then I'll reach out to him by now and figure out what's going on, okay?
All right, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Not begging anybody. You put me on mute real quick.
Okay, Judge, I did speak to the lieutenant. We would offer to amend to passenger open intox in the motor vehicle.
Attorney Walker?
Yes, I'm here.
Can you can go tell Sergeant Jackson that he can go, but can you get his number just in case we need to get him back quickly for another day?
Yes, Judge, I have his number.
Okay, so tell him, I know he worked a double, so I was trying to give him a little bit more time, but if we have an offer, that's good enough for me and that he was here, okay?
Thank you, Judge. I'll let him know now.
You're welcome. If they want to trial, I'll give him another day further out.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Judge, I think I'm having some continuing issues with audio. I'm gonna log off and call in.
That works for me, Attorney Bosman.
need to run to 332 really quick and I'll zoom back in.
That's perfect, no worries.
Thank you.
Oh, right, where?
Testing audio. Can you hear me clearly?
It's better. It's better than the other one that you had.
Yeah, I was having problems.
Okay. All right, let me see what we can do. Let me do the trial ones first. All right, we're gonna start off with Sarah West. Now calling the matters of the people versus Sarah West. This is ticket number U73954111. This is one count remain in the park after it closes or after dark. Ticket number 15457024, one count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number P13600055, one count improper plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. Ms. West, would you state your name for the record?
Sarah West.
Thank you, Judge. There is a plea agreement whereby the defendant is going to waive her right to today's trial. She's going to plead guilty to the allowing an unlicensed driver to drive charge. The balance of the cases are going to be dismissed, and I would stipulate to probable cause for that.
All right. And I see Officer O'Reilly is present in court today, sir. Did you want to state your name for the record, please? You're on mute.
I'm sorry about that. Officer Miguel O'Reilly.
Thank you so much, sir. Ms. West, if you want to take advantage of that offer, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. West, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Boffman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking a guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in any of these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, ma'am, I want to take your attention back to the date of October 20th of 2015. Did you own a Pontiac vehicle at that time, ma'am?
Yes.
And did you allow someone who was unlicensed to drive your vehicle, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. And counsel, will you stipulate that it was in the area of Finkel and Whitcomb Streets in the city of Detroit?
So stipulated, I'm satisfied with the fact that
Thank you so much. And is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge, to the plea to allowing an unlicensed person to drive a vehicle. The remaining counts will be dismissed. All right, Ms. West, this is an older ticket, but you can't allow someone who's unlicensed to drive your vehicle. Is this under a delayed sentence or no, counsel?
We're asking for credit for time served. The defendant was incarcerated from June 2022 till November 2022. She's got proof of that.
All right. Was it in Wayne County though?
Yes.
Yes.
Was it for these matters?
Not for these, Your Honor, no.
So why she get time served?
For another not related matter, if she had, for instance, gone to jail and filed a plea by mail, she probably would have been able to resolve it that way. So we're just asking for credit. It's your discretion, Judge.
I know. I was about to say, but today in consideration, we let another ticket go.
Can we do community service then?
You want to do community service in lieu of cost and fine?
Yes, please. Thank you.
You want to, ma'am, Ms. West, you want to do community service in lieu of cost and fine? My fine is typically $200.
Do I have to pay that today?
No, I give you time 30, 60 days.
Okay. Okay.
How long do you need?
About 60 days. I just started working.
All right. I'll give you until May 29th, 2023 to have that paid. Okay, write that down.
Okay. You said May 29th?
Yeah, I'm giving you 90 days.
Thank
May
you. Thank
29th.
you. Thank you. Okay.
He fought hard for you. However.com. You only incarcerated in 2022 and these happened in 2015. That means you should have been came to court and handled it. Am I right or am I right?
You're right.
Okay. All right. So I'll give you 90 days. May 29th, 2023. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Good luck to you. Of course, Ms. West. You have a good day. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, officer. You're all set. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Corporal Bennett. I don't know why you in the waiting room.
Yes, yeah, I'm sorry, I was in another courtroom also too.
I know. Is there another? No. Is there another person you're supposed to be here on today?
I think it's just one person, Your Honor.
Okay, that person is on my docket for a show cause, so I don't know why.
Oh.
So you're all set.
Yes, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank
you. In the breakout room, Judge.
He was in the breakout room. I just said the wrong thing, but he shouldn't even been in there because the person was for a show cause today. All right. Officer Harrington, put yourself on mute for me. You got a little, I know you at the station. All right. Thank you. Curtis Weathers?
Yes.
All right. Can you turn on your camera for me, please? All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Curtis Weathers. This is ticket SP 1366513. This is one count ride motor vehicle, motorcycle, moped on sidewalk. This is the date time set for a bench trial. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name for the record.
Mr. Weathers?
Oh, Kurt Weathers.
And from the
Curtis.
department.
No. Sir, we are in court. You can't say your nickname.
First name Curtis, Curtis, last name Weathers, Weathers.
Thank you very much. All right, you may proceed, counsel.
I also would acknowledge the appearance by the officer from the Detroit Police Department.
Officer Michael Harrison, Detroit Police Department, badge 3103.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. We're going to waive our rights to a trial this morning. And
Cut down a little bit, Attorney Bachman.
we're pleading guilty as charged, Judge. There's a delayed sentence, recommendation 90 days.
Okay. 90 days, delayed sentence. All right, you want to take advantage of that offer today, Mr. Weathers?
Yes,
All right, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Got your money in the house. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I have.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty, sir?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up your right? You could have had a bench trial today, and you also have the right to have a jury trial because it's a misdemeanor. But if you take this plea, you're going to give that up. You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward, sir?
I do.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of, this looks like June the 25th of 2022. Were you driving it looks like a Ram in the area of East Grand River and Center Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And did you drive it on the sidewalk, sir?
Yes.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, thank you.
And the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to ride motor vehicle on a sidewalk. This is under what's called a delayed sentence, sir. What that means is as long as you get no new tickets like this and you pay the fine that I'm going to impose, this will be dismissed in 90 days, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so my fine I'm going to impose is $250 for riding on the sidewalk.
Wow.
All right, I'll do $200, okay?
Thank you.
$200.
Appreciate it.
I shouldn't, but you looked outraged at what I was doing. See, it's important because you know what people do on sidewalks? They walk down them, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
We do. We walk down sidewalks. I walk down a lot of sidewalks. And I know that on the sidewalk, it's just supposed to be me and bicycles possibly, and not vehicles, okay?
Correct. No
All right.
excuse.
So you have 90 days to be able to pay that, and we're gonna have to come back for your review on that day too, so I can make sure you have no new tickets and you pay my fine. It's gonna be May 29th at 8:45 a.m., okay?
All right. Where do I pay at?
So you can either physically come down to 36th District Court and pay it, or you can go online to 36districtcourt.org, okay? Just Google like 36th District Court Detroit, and it'll pop up our website, and you can pay it on there as well, okay?
All right. Thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, if there's nothing further, I thank both of you. Stay safe out there, okay, sir?
Court date one more time?
Yes, May 29th at 8:45 a.m. May 29th.
All right.
Okay?
Yep.
Thank you. All right, have a good day, Kurt.
You too.
All right, have a good day. All right, G Money 2025. Who are you? G Money 2025. I'm just putting it away. All right, let's do the rest of this. We have anybody who signed in that doesn't have an officer here, so I can get them out of here. Joseph Williams.
Yes, Your Honor. Let me find that person's name.
Reginald Webb and Joseph Williams and Deion Walker, right?
Yeah.
Deion Walker,
Hello?
Mr. Webb, stop eating. Go ahead
Yes,
and
I'm
move
here.
that. Okay, all right. Everyone keep yourself on mute till I call your case, please.
Okay.
Deion Walker, I'll call you first. I know you have some internet things, but you came back.
Yes, I'm sorry. How you doing, Your Honor?
It's okay, you're fine, no worries. All right. All right, now calling the matter of People versus Deion Walker. This is ticket number SP 1346230. One count defective or missing equipment. Count two, license to purchase, carry, possess, or transport firearm. Ticket number SP 1367519. One count improper plates. Count two, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name, please, sir.
Deion Walker.
Thank you, Judge. This is a trial date. The defendant's continuing a not guilty plea, but there's no complaining witness. So we move to dismiss without prejudice.
All right, the time is now 11:02 a.m. No witnesses have been checked in for this matter. The court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Sir, they may refile this if they want to, but as of right now, you're all set, okay?
Thank you very much. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're very welcome. Thank you for coming online too, even through all the hardships this morning. So we appreciate it, okay?
I thank you so much for giving me the extra time, and you have a great day.
All right, you too. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Joseph Williams.
That shit is that easy. You done. Man, she's a nice judge. Yeah, everybody.
Joseph Williams. All right, unmute yourself. I'll just put you on mute real quick. Unmute yourself. You see me ask? Okay, there we go. Now calling the matter of the People versus Joseph Paul Williams. This is ticket SP 1301584. Count one, 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. Count two, disregard signal red or amber. Count three, defective or improper turn signal. Also calling ticket number SP 1301622. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Count two, untitled or unregistered motor vehicle. Count three, no rear view or defective mirror. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, please?
Joseph Williams.
Judge, this is a trial date, no complaining witness, so we ask that a motion to dismiss be considered.
All right. At this time, it is 11:04 a.m. No officer being present. The court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sir, make sure that you always, they can refile this if they want to, but if this is your vehicle, make sure you get this stuff fixed, please. You don't want to be out here driving like this.
Okay.
Okay, I mean, I'm just saying, they'll just give you another ticket. And guess what, Mr. Williams, you'll be right back before me and I'll remember.
No, it was just that I was moving the car, man, like a couple of blocks, and they pulled me over. I don't even got that car no more. I got a Jeep Wrangler now, and all my insurance stuff is up to date.
Okay, all right, I'm just letting you know. Don't do it again, because this is what happens, okay?
For sure.
All right, have a good day, Mr. Williams.
You too.
All right, thank you. Reginald Webb.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Reginald Webb. This is ticket SP 130599092. Drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please. Attorney Kaufman, you're on mute. Oh, we should have put the other one.
I'm sorry, Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name, please.
Reginald Webb.
Judge, these matters. Set for trial.
Pre-trial. It's for
Okay, so
pre-trial.
we're going to plead guilty to the driving while license suspended, Judge. That's going to be reduced to failure to display. The other cases will be dismissed here.
All right, so are the other cases, I didn't call them into the record. Is it gonna be case number SP 1305909, count one, drove in an unsafe manner?
No, I have registration and insurance counts.
Okay. He had a companion ticket with this one too that was drove in an unsafe manner, but it's not on the docket today.
Would you set that for a pre-trial, please?
You wanna set everything for a pretrial? I can pull all the tickets. What's this SP5?
Yes, please. That makes sense.
Okay. All right, Mr. Webb, what happened is that you have some tickets that went into what's called default because you didn't come to court for them. And the attorney is trying to pull them out so that you don't get those points, even though they may already be there. We can try and get those points back and to get a global resolution for that. So that's what he's trying to do. Why don't you skip that? All right, so I'm gonna give you another date, okay?
Okay.
Are there days of the week that work better for you?
No, it doesn't matter. The sooner the better.
I know, and I'm all like, and that was my error. What about March 22nd, sir?
Yes.
March 22nd at 8:30 a.m. We'll pull all your files, okay, for a pretrial.
Okay.
All right. There's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
All right. March 22nd.
March 22nd, 8:30 a.m. I'll pull the other two cases out of default. You already had two of them on here, but then you have one more that was a companion. What I mean, it happened at the same day. You got two tickets on the day the driver's license suspended, and you got a drove in an unsafe manner, correct, sir?
Yes, but I believe my attorney took care of two of those last year.
Yeah. But today, yeah, two of them, but not for all of them. Just come back on March 22nd, okay?
Okay, 8:30. Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right, no problem. All right. Mr. White has come out, so let's see what's going on. Did you bring him out, attorney?
My phone just popped over and
It's okay. Don't worry. I can call you anyway. We're good. Did you finish talking to him already, Attorney Baldwin? Mr. White, I know he was still in the breakout room.
yeah, nobody never came in there and talked to me.
Okay. All right. I know. Attorney Baldwin, did you get a chance to talk to Mr. White? He was in a breakout room.
And I've been in a breakout room since
I know. Did you do the 20 hours of community service, Mr. White?
That's what I wanted to talk to you about. I've been trying to call the lady for the community service. I called her and she said she sent out the paperwork. My grandma was in the hospital for a couple weeks. I ain't been able to check the mail because she had the mail to the key box. My cousin got it. She in control of it. But I called to ask them, can I pay?
Hold on. You live at your grandma's house?
Yes, ma'am. And she been sick past the last few weeks. My grandma real old. I help her out because she can't stay alone. She 89
And I think
years
that's
old.
admirable, but this is what happens so now Because grandma has control of everything. When you got important documents coming in the mail, you're not able to get them. That's what I understand correctly, Mr. White.
Yes, I wasn't able to get the key lock to the file. But I can pay. I was gonna go down there and pay the tickets, but they told me that it was gonna be extra fine. They asked me to talk to you to see what's the right amount I had to pay.
So you want to pay instead of doing community service?
Yes, ma'am. I got the money to pay. I got enough money saved, but I was just waiting to see what's the right amount.
Zero, 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 zero. One.
Okay, count one. Do you got count three?
It is count.
Oh, so count 1 and 2.
All right. Can you do $200, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we'll do $200 and I'll have that due within 30 days. So it needs to be in no later than March 28th, 2023, okay?
Okay, thank you, ma'am. And I'll be able to pay it. I'll be able to pay it this week as soon as I get a ride down there.
Okay, all right.
Okay,
I know it's not
thank
on the record. I know it's not on the record. Baughman had signed off. I could put it on the record. Now calling the
Okay.
matter of the people versus, that's probably why he had him in there. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jawan White. This is ticket 20440000. This is one count of unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Mr. White is present today because he was to have done 20 hours of community service. He was unable to do so, but is willing to pay the fine of $200. Mr. White, can you state your name for the record, please?
Juwan White.
All right, and I'm gonna give Mr. White 30 days to be able to pay this. He said he will have the money, so it's gonna be due no later than March 28th, 2023. Okay, Mr. White?
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck to you, and I pray a speedy recovery for your grandma, okay?
Okay, thank you. So I come back on March 28th.
As long as you pay it, you don't have to come back. If you don't pay it, you have to come back, okay?
Okay, thank you, ma'am. I appreciate you.
Of course, Mr. White. You have a great day, okay?
Okay, you too.
All right, bye-bye. Attorney Baughman, you good? Dwayne Watson?
Yes, ma'am. How you doing today?
I'm good, thank you for asking. Now calling the matter of people versus Dwayne Watson. This is ticket SP 1382154, one count no plate on trailer. Also calling ticket number SP 1381913. Count 1, disregard signal red or amber. Count 2, no proof of insured. Count 3, no trailer lights. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please. Attorney Baughman? Okay, he did fall off. 1 second, sir, okay?
Okay.
Can you hear us, counsel?
So much better. I'm sorry. I have a pair of wireless headphones. I could barely hear you. I can hear fine. Mr. Watson, did you state your name?
Put your name on the record first, Attorney Baughman.
Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, your name, please.
Dwayne Watson.
Thank you. Judge, the defendant's going to waive his rights to any further hearings. He's pleading guilty to disregarding a traffic control device, that's going to be reduced to blockading. The balance of the cases are going to be dismissed, and I stipulate to probable cause for that.
All right, so, do you stipulate to the four corners of the ticket as well?
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulate.
All right, so at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to the amended charge of blockading. The remaining counts will be dismissed per stipulation by counsel. Sir, the fine for that is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that gonna be enough time for you, Mr. Watson?
Can I come and pay it today, ma'am?
Could you wait until tomorrow, please? I'll give you until, okay, 3/14/23, just in case, okay, sir?
Okay.
All right, sir. Good luck to you. All right.
Thank you. Have a blessed and wonderful day.
You too. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. Mr. John Wright?
Yes, I'm back.
Now calling the matter of the people versus John Wesley Wright. These are not on the docket today. They're from my docket on February 14th. We have ticket number SP 1368265. Count 1, reckless driving. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1368367. Count 1, expired plates. Count 2, drove in an unsafe manner. Count 3, no valid registration certificate. And tickets number SP 1368499. Count 1, left center, drove in the street. Count 2, failure to stop at a stop sign. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Would you state your name, please?
John Wesley Wright.
One moment. Asking for a not guilty plea to be entered here today and set this for a waiver trial date by Zoom. The defendant's been advised on to complete the better driver's course.
All right. If that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Baughman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
And it's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set it for the date of May 10th. Write it down, sir, May 10th at 9 a.m. via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that day, May 10th. Okay, you got it written down, sir? Bond will be set at $0 personal, and I'll see you then, okay?
May 10th at 9 a.m.?
May 10th at 9 a.m., okay?
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
You're very welcome. You have a good day, okay?
All right, bye.
All right. Ajane Watkins? Ajane Watkins?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead, turn your camera on for me, okay?
Okay, here I come.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, now calling the matter of People versus Ajane Watkins. This is ticket number SP 1378584. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Court, Your Honor, Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, ma'am?
Ajane Watkins.
Judge, the defendant presents today in compliance. She has sent those documents to me. I've verified them, sent them to Corporation Counsel. So, dismissal, and I will stipulate the probable cause for that.
We missed part of that, Attorney Baughman.
I hand over the speaker. The recommendation is for dismissal, and I stipulate the probable cause for that.
All right, at this time, the court is going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss this. because she now has compliance documents for probable cause. Ma'am, make sure you always have everything up to date, valid, and in your vehicle, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. All right, you're all set. Thank you for your patience today. Have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. Curtis Wright,
Yes.
you gotta sit up. There you go, all right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Curtis Bernard Wright. This is ticket SP 1272618. This is one count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Would you state your name for the record?
Curtis Wright.
Judge, the defendant has paid in full. This is a matter set for review, so we just ask that you close the case.
Yeah, hold on a minute, we lost you.
Set for review, the defendant has paid in full. Can you close the case, please?
I sure will. I was gonna say, at this time, the court is going to dismiss this matter per your paying of the fine, and you are all set. Thank you very much, Mr. Wright. This matter is dismissed, okay?
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. Ricky Williams? All right,
I mean, he paid some. He still has a balance. That's the balance I like. I was trying to see what bump is. Here it is. I think.
Judge, can I have a 5-minute break?
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
Lonzo Winbush?
Yes.
You ain't even telling me yet. No, just tell her you.
They're on my afternoon docket. It works. Come back this afternoon at 1:30.
Okay, we were just setting
All right.
it up.
Yeah, I know. I was gonna say you interrupted my morning docket. Thank you, though.
So yours is not till 1, right?
Right.
So you coming by me.
Ned Wilson. Why you got a do-rag on for court this morning? Really? Mr. Wilson, why do you have a do-rag on your head for court this morning? Why do you have a do-rag on your head for court? Mr. Wilson. I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
I can. I said, why do you have a do-rag on your head for court this
I
morning?
can't hear you.
Why do you have a do-rag on your head for court this morning?
Oh, I've been here. Oh, I'm sorry. I've been here since 9 o'clock.
I've been waiting. I know, and you got another one under it.
Yeah, double.
All right. Your attorney never checked in. He never checks in. It was a trial scheduled for today. The officer came. Where's your attorney?
He's checking in right now. He had a
No,
case.
we're not. No. All right, Mr. Witt. I'm gonna put you in the waiting room, okay?
He just had another case this morning.
Okay. All right. You ready, Attorney Bachman?
Ready to go, Your Honor. Ready to go. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I'm
Okay,
trying to
I'm
get
ready.
people. I'm gonna just bring everybody in because I want them to go. I'm sorry. That is just. All right, everybody. I need you to put yourself on mute until I call your matter. I'm sorry about the delay this morning, but everyone just stay on mute until I call your case, okay? Bridget Williams, unmute yourself and turn your camera on, please. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Bridget Angela Williams. This is ticket SP 1365639, one count smoking marijuana within passenger area of vehicle upon public highway. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, please?
Bridget Williams.
Thank you. Judge, the defendant is going to plead not guilty. We ask for a waiver trial date by Zoom, please, and thank you.
Right. Ma'am, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial in front of me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, Ms. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, it's going to be the date of May 10th. Write that down, May 10th, 9 a.m. via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, you'll zoom in on that day, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
All right, thank you.
Wait,
Is it
you said
May
May 10th at 9?
May 10th at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. India Williams, unmute yourself for me, ma'am, okay?
Hi.
Hi. Now calling the matter of the people versus India Williams. This is ticket number SP 1320955. One count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. May I have your appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please?
May it please the court, Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please.
India Williams.
Thank you, Your Honor. We're here for review, and the defendant has completed successfully 20 hours of community service. Would you close this case?
I sure will. At this time, it appears that you have completed the 20 hours of community service requested. The court is going to dismiss this matter per the agreement. Thank you so much for being in compliance. Okay, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. You're all set. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. John Zaki. Now calling the matter of people versus John Zaki. This is ticket number SP 1365739. Count one, failed to use seatbelt assembly system effectively. SP 1365773. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number SP 1378154. Count one, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count two of that same ticket is no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 138368661. One count drove with a revoked license. Count two of that same ticket is no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1383676. Count one, violation of the basic speed law. Count two, no receipt of registration. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name for the record, please?
You gotta unmute yourself, Mr. Zaki. I put you on mute.
John Zaki.
Judge, we ask that a not guilty plea be entered here today and that the matter be set for a waiver trial by Zoom, please, and thank you.
All right. Sir, could you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Zaki, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial or a waiver trial. That's the trial before me as the trier and finder of the facts. Is that right, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set this for a bench trial on the date of May 10th. May 10th at 9 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Hello?
Mr. Williams, you can't just shout out when you want to shout out in the courtroom, please and thank you.
You said 9, right?
9 a.m.
All right. Thank you.
No problem. Destiny Williams,
All right. I'm all done.
you're all done, Mr. Zaki. You can go ahead and sign off. Thank you. I'll
Okay,
see
you
you
have a
May
good
10th,
day.
9 a.m. Thank you via Zoom, okay?
Okay. You have a good day.
You too, thank you. Destiny Williams, you can unmute yourself, ma'am.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Destiny Williams. This is ticket SP 1067581. Count one, fraudulent false insurance information. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. State your name, please.
Destiny Williams.
Thank you, Judge. I'm not sure if you added a count, but the defendant has SP 138718, counts 1, 2, and 3. They are respectively driving while license suspended, no registration, and no insurance. Would you arraign the defendant on those charges here today, accept a not guilty plea, and set those matters all together for a pretrial?
All right. So at this time, those other matters will be put on. Hold on a minute.
Yeah, she had July court date in those other matters. Or show cause. Night.
I shouldn't say that, not my jinx or not. I'll go somewhere else
Give me that case number again, Bowman, for her.
I gave you that.
SP 138717. Count 1, driving while license suspended. Count 2, no registration. Count 3, no insurance. Misdemeanor.
has a different middle name. What's your middle name? Is that
Shymir Marie.
It's two different words.
This is Destiny Shamir Marie. That's the life.
Okay, so your middle name is Cheyenne Marie?
No, Shymir Marie.
Okay. So that was her. Okay, hold on a minute, Baldwin, I got the wrong person. There's two different Destinies on my docket with the same spelling of the name. All right, we're gonna arraign her on those cases and stand mute, Ms. Williams. I'm gonna have you come back on April 26, 2023, okay?
Okay.
All right. April 26, 2023 at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, have a good day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That sheet, it's the one that I just gave you. All right, we'll figure it out later. Amani Williams.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Amani and Williams. This is ticket SP 1304831. Count 1, violation of basic speed law and or drove in an unsafe manner. Count 2, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please. Counsel. Ma'am, can you state your name for the record, please?
Imani Williams.
All right, ma'am. Were you offered that offer today or no?
We started discussions, but I don't have the final answer.
Okay, all right. Would you be willing, do you have any of this documentation or no? You were gonna try and get it in order?
Yeah, I sent it over to him via text.
Okay, all right. So hold tight, Ms. Williams, okay?
Okay.
All right, Ricky Williams, I'm gonna call your matter because I think yours is one that is a review today. Is that right?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I could not figure out how to unmute this device. Forgive me. As far as Imani Williams, there's a plea agreement. She's going to plead to the unsafe driver count, and that would be reduced here to blockading. I'm going to give my stipulation of probable cause as to the other matters because they're going to be dismissed here this afternoon.
Right. Thank you so much. And do you stipulate to the face of the ticket for the blockading?
So stipulated. Thank you.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to enter in a plea of responsible to the amended charge of blockading. The remaining 2 counts will be dismissed. Ma'am, that's a 0-point offense. Unsafe driving has points to it, okay?
Yes.
All right. So the fine for that is $175. Typically you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that gonna be enough time?
Yes, ma'am.
It's gonna be due no later than March 14th of 23, okay?
If I needed a payment plan, is that an option or do I have to
You
have
need
it
more
by?
time, Ms. Williams. I asked you where you're gonna be able to pay it in 14 days, and then you gonna tell me something, no problem. How long do you need, Ms. Williams, to be able to pay?
Yes, ma'am. My apologies. I'm looking at my calendar right now. I would say to like the 23rd of March.
Okay, if I give you 30 days, you think you can have it done in 30 days?
Yes, ma'am. I'm fine with
Okay.
that.
All right, I'll give you until March 28th, okay? So that gives
Yes,
you some
ma'am.
more time. That's why I asked Miss Williams, I ain't evil. I'll give you some time to be able to pay.
I appreciate you. Thank you very much.
No problem. You have a good day, okay?
You as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right, Ricky Williams. Recalling the matter of the people versus Ricky Williams. Unmute yourself for me, sir. This is ticket number U3828979417. This is one count disorderly conduct. It appears that Mr. Ricky Williams still owes some costs and fines. He was originally placed, he took a plea back in October of 2018. We are here today for a review. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Williams, please state your name for the record, please.
Ricky Williams.
Thank you, Judge. The defendant owes some money, and we're just asking respectfully for some time to pay.
All right. Mr. Williams, how long do you need to pay? It looks like your balance is $226.80.
226.
200.
Yes,
Let me see.
226.
$226.80. Yes, sir.
Can you give me just a little bit of time, because Judge, because I have a lot going on right now. Just a little more time.
Okay.
That's all.
Are you covering the mic on your? Are you covering the mic on your phone, sir? It sounds real muffled.
Oh, can you hear me now, Judge?
Okay, that's better. Go ahead and say what you were
Okay.
saying.
I was saying I just need a little more time because I had a lot going on right now.
What's a little bit more time? Everybody got a lot going on right now. But if I give you a little bit more time and it's not paid since 2018, that's not very helpful. So how much time do you need? Do you need 30 days, 60 days? How long do you need to come up with $226?
Can I have about 60 days, Judge?
Okay. I'll give you until April 28th, 2023. You should have been had this behind you, Mr. Williams, okay?
Okay, Judge.
All right. I'll give you then. Come up with that money, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Del Mario Williams?
Yeah.
Hey, Judge.
Hello. Oh my gosh. All right. Let's see how many are actually on the docket for today. Yeah, they did. Okay. All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Del Mario Williams. This is Z ticket 795-110, one count operating while intoxicated city. C ticket 527780, count 1, driving while license not valid, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 831611, drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 10534415, operating while intoxicated, repeat offender, count 2, drove while license suspended, repeat offender. Ticket number U32595207, one count, enter a vacant dwelling without owner's permission. Ticket number 4333295, no operator's license on person. Ticket number 094052214, drove while license not valid. U ticket 733-99011, disorderly conduct. Ticket number U4596571, one count, possession of suspected marijuana. Ticket number X2168886, count 1, license plate unlawful use. Ticket number SP 936785, drove while license suspended. And ticket number C 806631, operating while intoxicated. Does he have 3 OWIs?
That's what I'm saying.
Hold
Never
on.
been.
Good. I ain't asked you to speak right now. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, would you state your name for the record, please?
Mario Wells.
Judge, we want to plead not guilty at this time and set the matter for a pretrial, please.
Okay. All right, I'll set this for a pretrial on the date of April 26, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. Bond set at $0 personal. I'm gonna look at these three cases though, Attorney Boffman. I'm concerned.
Yeah, I think we can get some clarity from the prosecutor.
Yes. Go ahead, counsel.
I think we get some clarity at a pretrial from the prosecutor, especially with respect to a prospective deal.
Okay.
Your Honor, I got a question.
Yes.
When we went to court, when you brought me to court in front of this was last year. We talked about all of them was the same day. How can I get 3 DUIs off one case?
It's not. It's 3 different days. So now we have one. Okay. This is what we talked about beforehand, is that you have them all on the same day, 2 of them on the same day.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have Z ticket 8066311 and Z ticket SP 1053415.
They are January
Okay, not all of
2020.
them. Not all of them are January 28th. So the Z ticket 79115 is from 2010.
2010.
2010.
I've never been took down for no
You ever
DUI.
live in Taylor, Michigan?
Yeah.
Okay, they have a ticket for you.
Taylor?
Address, May 17th, 2010. 2010.
I ain't never been pulled over in Taylor.
It wasn't Taylor, it was in Detroit. It's when you lived in Taylor, though.
I ain't never been pulled over for no
Date of birth,
DUI
July
till.
24th, 1982.
Yeah, I ain't never been pulled over for no DUI till 2020 in January.
Have you ever been in a car accident before?
I've been in a couple car accidents.
Okay, this may be yours. You may not remember it, but I'm asking you these because I'm looking at the detail of the tickets to make sure it's right. So we'll deal with it on April 24th. I will make a note though, for the record, that it appears that Z ticket 8066311 and SP 1053415 count 1. It appears that those 2 may be actually the same ticket. So I'll put a pin on those so I'll know that they're kind of together. Okay. But we'll have to, this is an older case, so think real hard, because this is all your information on this one from a while ago, May 17th, 2010. Okay.
Okay.
All right. All right. There's nothing further. I'll see you back on April 26th.
Okay.
All right. Have a good day.
Enjoy your day.
All right. Bye-bye. All right. Did you talk to Mr. Williams, Attorney Boffman? Charles Williams? Star 6 on your phone, Attorney Boffman.
Okay. Which Williams? I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Charles Williams.
I've been interviewing. Which one?
Charles Williams.
Charles Williams. Charles Edwards Williams is in the breakout room. He's got a matter set for trial, and Mr. Morgan has got some issues. He's trying to get a resolution. Let me contact Mr. Morgan. Is that the only defendant we have left?
Him and Ned Wilson, but Ned Wilson's attorney didn't come. So, Mr. Wilson, tell your attorney to contact the courtroom. You can go ahead and sign off. It was set for a trial today. And I don't know what to do, Mr. Wilson. We're all set with you for today. So, I don't know. Have them call the courtroom. We'll try and get a different day, Mr. Wilson. I apologize. Did you want to take the offer, Mr. Wilson? It's to amend it to passenger. You can take the offer today instead if you would like.
Can you say that again? I didn't hear you.
The offer right now is your counsel did not come. However, Attorney Boffman is more than capable. They're offering you right now open intoxicants and a motor vehicle passenger. It does have 6 points, but you can take care of it today if you would like.
That was just the problem. I wasn't I wasn't the driver.
All right, Mr. Wilson, I'm gonna call this matter for the record. I'm gonna give you a new bench trial date, and your attorney can try again then, okay?
Okay.
Now calling for the record, the matter of People versus Ned Wilson. This is ticket number 376557. One count open intoxicants inside a motor vehicle. Today was the date and time set for a bench trial. Officer did appear. It was Lieutenant Jackson who came in for this matter. I do have Mr. Ned Wilson, who has been on the computer all morning long. Can you state your name for the record?
Ned Wilson.
All right. At this point in time, his attorney, retained counsel, Jerome Barney, has failed to appear. Mr. Wilson does want to speak with his attorney about this matter, and he's not present. So I'm going to set this for a bench trial again on the date of May 10th. May 10th, Mr. Wilson. May 10th at 9 a.m. I'll continue your bond because you showed up, okay? So let your attorney know. May 10th at 9 a.m., okay?
All right, May 10th, 9 a.m.
That's correct. I'll see you then, okay, Mr. Wilson?
All right.
All right, have a good day.
We get another day.
Let me ask this to the group. What are we trying to get together exactly for this homicide vision case that we got going on? What are we trying to put together for this? Please tell me, please. Anybody?
You're asking me, what are we trying to put together?
What are we doing? On the screen. Officer Tyson, what are you looking for with this matter?
So let me just think, it's a Zoom in. Okay.
Well-
Zoom in. Okay.
I'm hearing another voice.
That's me. That's that's Judge Taylor, Marlena Taylor. I'm just trying to figure out what exactly is that we're trying to execute with this particular matter.
We've got an agreement that we'd like to have endorsed by Reverend Williams prior to dismissing this case. And it could all be done today if all things work well, but we should probably adjourn for now and come back for dismissal if it gets accomplished today, otherwise at the point that it gets accomplished. And the reason that we're waiting now is that Attorney Morgan is hung up in, I think it's court 340.
Your Honor, may I
ask the question?
Yes, you can, because I don't want to have to come back again. Is this something that you spoke to an attorney about already?
Your Honor, I did I've had two meetings with the city of Detroit, and we made an agreement that I wouldn't do anything that requires permitting without getting a permit. And I agreed to that both times. They said they were going to write something up. They didn't write it up. And I'm here again. I don't want to come back. If they email it to me right now, I'll read over it and I'll say and likely to agree to it. But if it's about calling me, they can call me on my phone. They can come by and see me at the church. They can, this is not, you don't need to keep having me come to court just to meet with me.
I agree.
They asked for the drawings.
I agree, but unfortunately, I can't be a part of.
They asked me to go to the Historic Commission. I went to the Historic Commission, got the notice to proceed from the Historic Commission. I don't want to waste the city's money. I don't want to waste the people's money, and I appreciate the people's time, but I don't want to waste the people's time at all.
I get it. No, I totally understand. That's why I decided to ask y'all what was going on, because I wanted to know what was happening right now, so I can know what feasibly I can do right now, because I'm at the mercy of trying to figure out what's happening right now, right? Because I don't know. And there's been nothing that has been presented or gone.
The agreement has been drafted. and it's been tweaked as recently as within the hour. I believe it's finalized now, but Attorney Morgan needs to cut the cord on it, I guess.
This is the first time I've ever physically wanted to cry on the record. I want to cry right now.
Oh, don't cry.
I want to cry. That's all.
If you cry, I'll cry.
Right now. Not with any of you. And I'm not frustrated with any of you. I just feel like this should be something that I get it. You know, sometimes we don't always know what's coming up. But it sounds like it was a document that could have been discussed and signed beforehand. I don't want you to have to come back to Mr. Williams.
Thank you.
So, and I agree with that. Do you have some time to remain steadfast online for a little while?
Here we
Yes,
go.
I'll read it. I'll read it.
Now.
I'll read it right now.
And I want you to
put
be
me in
able
the
to read
breakout
it.
room, I'll read it and I'll come back and let you know.
Okay. All right.
Attorney Morgan has joined us.
All right. What's going on?
Can I have co-host privileges, Your Honor, please?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right.
Is Mr. Boffman still with us?
He is. He's on the phone. 0997.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. I'm gonna open all the breakout rooms so we can go to breakout room. Is that okay, Your Honor?
That's fine.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams, where did he go?
He went into a breakout room number 8.
Okay, I see him. I'm gonna move Ms. Tyson there.
Mr. Bachman, do you want me to put you in room number 8? Okay, cool.
Judge, this is prosecutor.
Yes.
Hi, we're still waiting to get the defense attorney to respond. I have him in the breakout room by phone. He hasn't responded, but we're moving forward with Mr. Williams, but we're still gonna have to get Mr. Boffman to respond to us. So
Okay.
just
Worst
wanted to
comes
give
to
you,
worst, I'll wait for House Counsel this afternoon to come on. Just make sure he has a copy of whatever it is so I can execute it.
oh, no, yeah, he's getting the copy as we speak. I didn't want to send it to him directly, so the inspector is sending him that document.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
While they're looking that over, can I,
You can go back, as long as they have the documents and everybody's satisfied, the inspector is satisfied, I can call it. So you can go back to the courtroom.
oh, one of the things I need to do is to get him to sign the document. And I just needed a witness or someone to witness that, you know, he signed the document. He could just attest to his signature. And that's all. So that's what the inspector is gonna do. All right, I'm sorry, but this is not my doing.
Right. Okay, I'll just wait.
Mr. Williams, Dontre Williams?
Yes.
Hello, sir. Are you Dontre Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just what time is your case scheduled for?
1:30.
Okay, a little bit early. Why don't you check, Zoom up, go off Zoom and come back at 1:30.
Okay.
Person who's, what's your name? The gentleman in the blue jacket in the car, what's your name? Okay, can you hear me, sir? In the blue jacket?
Can I be placed in the breakout room with Mr. Williams, please?
What does work? Can I just represent myself? Mr. Boffman, you're in breakout room with Mr. Williams.
Oh, okay. I didn't know.
Me, and with Inspector Tyson.
Sure.
And I'm trying to pull up your email address.
The gentleman in the car, can you hear me?
He sent us a chat asking a question. I don't know if he can see the chat with that up, Sandy.
Can you hear us, sir? What did your chat say, Judge?
He said he had a court date this morning. Is it possible he can still come? I told him to call the courtroom.
Cool. All right. Can you hear us, sir?
Yes, I can hear you.
Oh, okay, good. What's your name, please?
Antonio Williams.
What time was your case for?
It was at 8:30, but I stay in Arizona, so it would have been 6:30 in the morning for me. And I wasn't up.
Okay. Sir, call the courtroom at this number. Do you have a way to call, to write a number down?
Yes.
Do you want me to have him call the courtroom? Judge, do you want to address it online?
And there's no possible way I could come down to Michigan. So I would be grateful if I could talk.
Mr. Williams, Mr. Williams, I understand that you're in another state. I get it. Accidents happen, I really do, but I cannot address it today. I'm having trouble with house. I mean, you come back at 1:30 because I'm gonna just stay online. Can you come back at 1:30? You know that's like an hour
Yes,
from now. Just come back at 1:30.
So it's an hour from now? Okay.
It's not an hour from now, it's a half an hour from now. Just sign back in a half an hour, okay, Mr. Williams? I was gonna have you try the courtroom and get another day, but that's okay. Just come back in a half an hour, okay?
Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you, Judge.
No problem. All right. disaster. That's what's going on, Miss Walker. I'm keep texting.
I think we're still live, Judge. I got my son's virtual reality glasses. Do I need to put those on for, okay.
Yep, you do. Put them on. Put them on.
Do I need to talk to Mr. Morgan? Is that kind of the case he's been here for?
I don't know what's going on. You
Okay.
know, you may be in that room. Go ahead in there. They're executing some type of document. I don't really understand what's going on or what's happening.
Which room, Judge? I'm not showing anybody in any rooms. Do you know which room they're in?
Yeah, they're in room number 8.
8. Oh, okay, now I see it. All right, I will join room 8, Judge. Thank you.
Okay.
Judge, should I have them come back or should I start checking them in?
Nope, start checking them in.
Oh. Justin Wells?
Yes.
Hello, sir. Are you Justin Wells?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, I have you checked in. Please put your phone on mute and leave it on. Ask to take it off.
Okay.
Hello, Ms. Bates. Attorney Bates.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Good.
Good. Who are you here for?
It's Habib. I think it's Habib Youssef.
Okay, just for a moment.
Okay.
He hasn't checked in yet, but he is on the docket. I have you checked in.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
There you go, right there. Take your hat off. They say.
She said 1:30.
Yeah, but they all know.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hi, what's your name, please?
My name is Willie Everett Wilson.
Mr. Wilson, just a moment. Mr. Wilson, please put your phone on mute. And
Hello.
How can I help you?
I was wondering if I called the other day. They said I couldn't postpone it because I had to show up at court. I have a doctor's appointment like at 2:00. Hello.
Judge, or do you want to address?
Mr. Willie, what's your name?
Willie Wilson.
All right. All right, Mr. Wilson. Let me just give her a date. Come back on 4/26 at 8:30 a.m., okay?
4:30. Say it again.
4:20. Now, is there a 36 on the dot in the calendar?
No, ma'am. 4:26 at 8:30.
There we go. At 8:30 a.m. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
No problem.
4:20.
That was really good. Yeah.
Marvin Wright. Marvin Wright. Can you hear me, Mr. Wright? Go ahead if you can.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, are you Marvin Wright?
Yes, I am.
Okay, just one moment, please. Okay, Mr. Wright, take down. Please put the computer on mute. Leave it on mute. Ask to take it off.
I'll cut it off.
Mr. Wright?
Yes.
Can you hear me, Mr. Wright?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, put your computer on mute, please.
Pardon me?
Put your computer on mute. Lonza Winbush?
Yes, speaking.
Hi, are you Lonza Winbush?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the court reporter. Hold on one moment, please.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Mr. Winbush, I have you checked in. Please put your computer on mute and leave it on mute until you're asked to take it off.
Okay.
Thank you. Ashley Whitman? Okay, can you hear me now, Ms. Whitman? Can you hear me, Ms. Whitman? Hello? Okay, good. Good. Hi, Ms. Whitman, please activate your camera.
I'm sorry, can you please repeat that? I couldn't hear you.
Yeah, I just want you to turn your camera on, please.
Okay.
Hi, are you Ashley Whitman?
Yes.
Okay, I have you checked in, Ms. Whitman. Please put your phone on mute and leave it on mute until you're asked to take it off.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Adam Williams?
Yes.
Hello, sir. Please turn your camera on for me. Hi, are you Adam Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just one moment. Okay, Mr. Williams, I have you checked in. Please put your phone on mute and leave it on mute until you're asked to take it off.
All righty.
Okay, all defendants, Mr. Wright, Mr. Wintbush, Ms. Whitman, Mr. Williams, and Mr. Wells. Mr. Wells, would you please turn your camera on so I know you're there? I'm going to put you all in what's called a breakout room. It's a place where you're on the screen by yourself. Nobody will be able to hear you or see you. That'll give you a chance to talk to Mr. Boffman in private about your case and about your rights. You're going to be there for a while, possibly up to 2 hours. Please be patient. Do not log off of Zoom. When you're finished talking to Mr. Boffman, leave the breakout room, come back to the courtroom, and you'll be put into a waiting room. That's where you will stay until the judge is ready to hear your case. When you receive the invitation to join the breakout room, press join. Only join the room number that's assigned to you.
Did I do it wrong?
Hold on one moment, ma'am. Don't touch anything. I'll come back to you, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry.
No problem. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mr. Winbush, please join breakout room number 4. Hello, sir. What is your name? You
Antonio Williams?
were just here.
Yeah.
Okay, so why did you leave Zoom, Mr. Williams?
Because I told him to come back in a half an hour, and he came back in a half an hour as I requested.
Cool. Thank you. Okay, Mr. Williams, I have you checked in. I'm sorry, what is your first name again, please?
Antonio?
Antonio. Okay, just one moment, Mr. Williams. I have you checked in. Please
Thank you.
hold on. Are you in a moving vehicle, Mr. Williams?
No, I'm at work in the parking lot. Park.
Okay. You can put your phone on mute, please, and leave it on mute until you're asked to take it off.
Okay.
Okay, the young lady with the flowered top on.
Yes,
Yes, hi. What is your name, please?
Tiffany Young.
Okay, Miss Young, just one moment. Okay, Miss Young, I have you checked in. Please put your phone on mute and leave it on mute until you're asked to take it off.
Okay.
Lakari Woody. Lakari Woody.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
How you doing?
Mr. Woody, please turn on your camera.
Oh, yes.
Lakari Woody, please turn your video on. Dontre Williams.
Yes,
Hello, sir. Are you Dontre Williams?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, I have you checked in, Mr. Williams. Please put your phone on mute and leave it on mute until you're asked to take it off.
All right.
Thank you. Tamika Tucker.
Good afternoon.
Hi. Attorney Tucker, who are you here for today?
I am House Counsel.
Okay. All right, thank you. There are some people already in the breakout room.
No, I'm gonna have her call me first. Attorney Tucker, can you call me, please? I'm gonna put my number in the chat for you, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Okay, Lisa Walker.
I'm here.
Hi, Ms. Walker. And you
Hi,
are
how you doing?
you are Lisa Walker.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just one moment. All right, I have you checked in. Ms. Walker, I noticed that your vehicle, is your car moving?
No, I'm sitting in the car at lunchtime. I'm sitting in someone's car.
Okay, are you prepared to stay there for a while, a couple of hours maybe?
A couple. I'll have to go, I may have to leave and let her know I need to take the rest of the day off. I wasn't sure how long this was going to go.
Okay. If you want to do that and come back.
Sure. Well, it's lunchtime, so she's going to lunch at this moment. I did take an extended lunch.
Okay,
because
just
I wasn't sure. So if I need to, can I just let someone know?
Yes, just hold on one moment, please.
Thank you. Whew.
I'm trying to call the courtroom, but it's saying the line is busy.
Oh, you know what? I gave you the wrong number. I'm gonna give you the right one.
Tell them you're here just in case. You might have.
Ms. Hold on before you talk to your supervisor. It may not take as long as I thought it would be.
Okay.
Thank you. Just put your phone on mute, Ms. Walker.
Okay, hold on. How do I do this? I'm new to this. Hold on. Oh, mute. Okay, no problem. Thank you.
You're welcome. Christopher Youssef. Christopher Youssef.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, sir. Would you move the camera over to your face so that you're square in the camera? Okay. Are you Christopher Youssef?
I am, Your Honor.
No, this is the court reporter.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Hold on one moment, sir. I have to check you in. Mr. Youssef, what time is your case for?
1:30?
Okay.
I
For-
believe, Madam Court Reporter, I believe that's, Mr. Youssef, are you doing this for your, for Habib Youssef?
For Habib Youssef, correct.
Yeah, he's operating the Zoom for Habib Youssef.
Oh, okay. All right, then
Yeah.
I'll put Habib's name. Thank you, Ms. Bates.
Yes,
No
ma'am.
problem, yeah, and I'm representing, Mr. Habib Youssef.
Sure, thanks.
Okay.
So, Mr. Christopher Youssef, would you please place Mr. Habib Youssef in front of me?
Is that good enough, ma'am?
Yes, well, if you could pull it toward you, yeah, that's perfect. Thank you.
Yep.
And place the microphone on mute for me, Christopher.
Okay.
Okay.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Can I say something?
Sir, what is your name, please?
Dwayne Wright.
Okay, just one moment, Mr. Wright.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Wright, I have you checked in. How can I help you?
I just wanted to let you know I was present. That's all.
Okay, I have you checked in. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, all defendants. Oh, no, I still have to hear from Lakari Woody. Mr. Woody, can you hear me? Please take your phone off mute.
Yes.
Okay, would you pull the camera down chest level, please? All right, thank you. Just one moment. All right, Mr. Woody, I have you checked in. Is your name Holt? Oh, Woody. Okay.
Woody.
All right, I have you checked in. Please put your phone on mute. Or your computer. Okay, all defendants. Mr. Williams, Dontre Williams, would you please turn your camera back on so that I'll know you're there? Judge, should I put Mr. Charles Williams in the breakout room or leave him in the courtroom?
No, leave him in the courtroom, please.
Okay, all defendants besides Mr. Charles Williams, I'm going to put you in what's called the breakout room. You will be on the screen by yourself and nobody will hear you nor see you. You'll be able to talk with the attorney in private about your case and about your rights. You may be there for a while, but please be patient. Do not hang up from Zoom. When you finish speaking with the attorney, leave the breakout room, press leave. That'll bring you back to the courtroom. When you come back to the courtroom, you'll automatically be put into a waiting room, and that's where you will stay until the judge is ready to hear your case. When you receive the invitation to join the breakout room, press join. Only join the number of the breakout room that's assigned to you. Ms. Bates, I'm going to put your client in the breakout room also, if you don't mind.
Okay.
He may not be able to get back out, and I'm gonna do this matter real quick after you put the people in there so I can get him and her out.
Thank you. Yeah, we're just gonna set a trial date.
Sure, okay.
Judge, if I may, regarding the matter from this morning, we're just going to ask this court to adjourn it until tomorrow morning. If we're just waiting on a notarized copy of agreement to come to us, and Pastor Williams has agreed to sign it. And once it's to us, we will come in and dismiss this matter.
I signed it on the record. And I signed it, I emailed it. We could do it today if you want.
Unfortunately, the prosecutor's office would like to have it notarized. So there's nothing I can do, Mr. Williams. I am so sorry. 1 second.
They said I didn't need another court date because they said they would do it without me.
I have no problems with that, Judge. He indicated that he has somebody nearby that can notarize and get it back today. If that's the case, I would dismiss it as soon as we receive that document.
But don't issue me no court date so I don't get no warrant.
Or maybe this, if Pastor Williams has somebody nearby that can do it, maybe we can put this case on at the end of this court's afternoon docket, and if we received it, it can be dismissed then. Is that something you can do, Mr. Williams? Can we get the notarized document over to us within the next hour?
Yeah, let me work. Yeah. Yes. If that's what
Mr.
it's
Hold
gonna
on,
take.
y'all anticipating that I'm gonna be here until 4 p.m. today. What a presumption to make that I'm gonna be here until 4 p.m. today. By the time he runs out to text someone, come back. We haven't had any lunch, so I'm fuming off of a smoothie this morning. Okay.
Oh, I apologize, Judge. I know the court is here late.
Y'all haven't eaten either. None of my staff has eaten because we've been sitting here waiting. And now you say, let's not eat for the rest of the day. Let's wait to get this finished. Mr. Williams, how long they want it notarized? How long will it take you to get it notarized? My Thursday dockets are extremely light. I typically only have a few matters. Can you get it done by Thursday for me?
Your Honor,
Okay, no, I'll just wait today. Just figure it out. Figure it out. I don't know what to do. I'll wait. We'll just all wait. We'll wait until you go get it. Go figure it out, Mr. Williams. Go get somebody to notarize it real quick. I'll be waiting here until forever. Attorney Bates, are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm ready.
All right, Mr. Yusuf, if you can unmute yourself for me, please.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Abid Yusuf. This is ticket number SP 1398569, one count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please, first.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Melanie Bates, P76080 from Randall Upshaw's office, appearing on behalf of Mr. Habib Youssef, who is present by Zoom.
All right. Mr. Yusuf, can you state your name for the record, please?
Habib Yusuf.
Okay. How are we proceeding, counsel?
Your Honor, may we have a trial date in this matter?
Yes, and I am going to order him a translator. Although he may not be able, his son cannot translate for him on a day of trial. So what is his dialect that he uses?
Arabic.
What's your name, sir, for the record?
My name is Christopher Yusuf.
Oh, you the one who's driving the vehicle. All right. I want to set this for a trial date on the day. Check your calendar, attorney. March 12th. It's a Friday, March 12th at 9 a.m.
You said March 12th?
I mean, I'm not March 12th. I'm sorry, May 12th. I so apologize. May 12th. First trial, May 12th. Us too, Attorney Bates. You said in the message, us too, okay?
That works out.
That works? Okay. I'll set your bond at $0 personal. We'll see you back. I'm gonna order an Arabic interpreter for him. Not that you won't do a good job, Mr. Christopher Yusuf, but we have to have a court interpreter for your father, okay?
I understand, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, we'll see everybody back on May 12th, 2023 at 9 a.m. for a bench trial. Bond set at $0 personal. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Judge, what was the bond?
$0. Ms. Whitman?
Yes.
Did they give you a new court date or do you have documents?
I got the court date for April 26th at 8:30.
All right, we'll see you then. Have a great day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
A. Walker.
Yes.
Hello, sir. Please turn your video on.
Yes.
Your name?
Antoine Walker.
Hey, Mr. Walker. Just
How
one
you
moment. Okay, Mr. Walker, I have you checked in. Are you is your vehicle moving?
No.
Okay. Are you prepared to sit there for a while?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to put you in a breakout room, Mr. Walker.
Okay.
When you receive the invitation, press join.
Okay.
You're going to talk to the attorney in there about your case and about your rights.
All right.
Wondering, can anybody offer an email to the court so I can email this document?
Sent
So
that
this
email
isn't
by
mine, so Mr. Williams, this isn't, it's not my agreement, so I don't need it. You need to talk to whoever it is that can assist you from prosecutor's office or whoever they have. This is not my agreement, so, I mean, I guess I need a copy eventually, but I don't know what sending it to me will do. Was that Prosecutor Morgan asking me that question? I thought it was Mr. Williams asking me that question.
that was Mr. Williams, Your Honor.
Okay, that's what I thought. Okay. I had to clarify.
Reverend Williams, if you would email it to me, you have my email address, tyson.k@detroitmi.gov. And also to Prosecutor Morgan. He's at Morgan S.
You can just have him forward it.
Can you place it in the
You can
chat?
forward it to me, Inspector Tyson, yourself.
Okay.
Did you speak with the attorney, Mr. Winbush?
Yes, I did, ma'am. I was trying to cut it off. I'm trying to work this. I don't know how to work this doggone thing.
We know, Mr. Winbush, you got some assistance this morning. I saw them. I'm grateful for them. You got your new date?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
All right, we'll see you next time. I'll remove you, okay?
Okay.
So they're just giving dates out, Judge, when they come to the courtroom, just dismiss them?
Can we turn this